Hello.
Hello.
My name's Suri.
My name's Ken.
Welcome to Miss Huong English class. We are learning some English words about our body. Ken, are you ready to learn about the different parts of our body today?
Yes, Suri. I'm ready.
And you, do you want to learn with us? Okay, I'll start with the parts of the face. These are our eyes. We say, an eye. Eyes. Can you say, an eye? Eyes.
An eye. Eyes.
Now, this is our nose. We say, a nose. Can you say, a nose?
A nose. A nose.
Perfect. Next, this is our mouth. We say, a mouth. Let's say it together, a mouth.
A mouth. A mouth.
Wonderful. These are our chin. We say, a chin. Say it with me, a chin.
A chin. A chin.
Excellent. These are our ears. We say, an ear. Ears. Can you say, an ear? Ears.
An ear. Ears.
This is our hair. We say, hair. Say it with me, hair.
Hair. Hair.
Now, this is our forehead. We say, a forehead. Let's say it together, a forehead.
A forehead. A forehead.
This is our face. We say, a face. Can you say, a face?
A face. A face.
Finally, this is our head. We say, a head. Say it with me, a head.
A head. A head.
Awesome job. Now, Ken will show us about the other parts of the body.
Now let's start with our shoulders. We say a shoulder. Shoulders.
A shoulder. Shoulders.
These are our arms. We say an arm. Arms.
An arm. Arms.
These are our hands. We say a hand. Hands.
A hand. Hands.
These are our legs. We say a leg. Legs.
A leg. Legs.
These are our knees. We say a knee. Knees.
A knee. Knees.
These are our feet. We say a foot. Feet.
A foot. Feet.
These are our toes. We say a toe. Toes.
A toe. Toes.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Review. Face.
An eye. An eye. Eyes. Eyes. A nose. A nose. A mouth. A mouth. A chin. A chin. An ear. An ear. Ears. Ears. Hair. Hair. A forehead. A forehead. A face. A face. A head. A head.
Review. Body.
A shoulder. A shoulder. Shoulders. Shoulders. An arm. An arm. Arms. Arms. A hand. A hand. Hands. Hands. A leg. A leg. Legs. Legs. A knee. A knee. Knees. Knees. A foot. A foot. Feet. Feet. A toe. A toe. Toes. Toes. Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.